Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card I have to share with you today. Isn't it lovely? This little girl with her birdie and the sentiment down says you did it. I mean, she's so cute, she's so sweet. So I've coloured it with my Stampin' Blend alcohol markers. So we're going to have to stamp therefore in Memento ink. And the stamp set is this one called By My Side. We're using the girl with her birdie, as I said. And Memento ink, so let's give this a really good ink up. There we go. And we're just going to, actually I'm going to get a bigger piece of scrap than that. See if I have a bigger piece. Yeah, here I've got a bigger piece of scrap just to make sure that I have enough space around it to cut it out properly. So down and up, lovely. So I'm going to colour these in using the Stampin' Blend alcohol markers. So I'm going to use basic black, real red, Tahitian tide, so saffron and ivory colour. So I am going to zoom you in and put you on fast forward and I'll see you at the end. So I coloured our little girl in, and then I cut it out using the, where are they? I'll put them away again. Let me get them out. Ugh, where did I put them? Here they are. The Stylish Shapes dies. And I used the second largest and the largest of these stitched rectangles. So I cut my image out and then I cut a piece out here of the basic black. And stick one to the other. Okay. And then there we go. Now I've got a card base here, and the card base is a basic white, thick basic white card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. Then I've got a piece here of this gingham black and white ribbon, and I'm going to cut off just a section here to wrap around my card. So let's put some adhesive on the back. Okay, and then we're just going to try and get it straight. Not something I'm very good at, I'd warn you. Tuck it down the back like that, and then stick this whole lot down before we have a problem. And the backing piece here, I should say, is the Hugs of Happiness Designer Series paper, and the one side has these lovely rainbow colours. So let's stick our design, our piece down, and I'm just going to use a piece of foam here to stick this down because it's a big area. And then put this little girlie there, and then we're going to attempt another bow using this black and white gingham ribbon. Okay, just leading off the tails, and we need some glue dots. I always like it at an angle for some reason. So there's the 2 cards. We're not finished yet. I should do my finishing touches. I've got here, these are the classic matte dots. And let's use some white ones this time. Just going to have a little line of 3 here. One more. Okay, so they're the 2 cards. I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information on the project, the measurements, the supply list, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website. And the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye bye.